ship Tiki Temptation. I be Captain Arresto, your guide through the treacherous waters of Tiki mixology. Today, we be set in sail on a grand adventure with a cocktail that'll shiver your timbers and summon the spirits of the high seas, Blackbeard's ghost. Now, me mateys, let's gather around and uncover the secrets of this legendary libation. First, we'll need a hearty measure of orange juice, if possible freshly squeezed, mind you. None of that bilge water from a carton. But when oranges are out of season, we need to work with what we can get. Next, we add a splash of lemon juice to give our brew a tart kick, a treasure worth its weight in gold. Now, me hearties, pay heed to the secret elixir known as falernum, a concoction of spices and sweetness that'll awaken even the weariest of souls. To learn how to make this, click on the link above. But no tiki adventure would be complete without the essence of apricot liqueur, a nectar fit for a pirate king. Learn to make your own from the link above. And now, me hearties, we come to the soul of our potion, rum, the lifeblood of every swashbuckler worth their salt. We'll be needing a blend of demerara and light rum to give our drink its seafaring spirit. But wait, me hearties, our voyage wouldn't be complete without a dash of bitters to add depth and complexity to our brew. Now that we've assembled our treasure trove of ingredients, it's time to shake things up and summon the spirits of the deep. And now, me hearties, the moment of truth. We'll dirty dump our concoction into a glass, adding ice as needed to keep our libation as cold as the ocean depths. Garnish as you see fit, and there you have it, me hearties, Blackbeard's ghost, a potion fit for the boldest of buccaneers. But no tiki adventure would be complete without a taste of the treasure, so let's hoist our mugs and raise a toast to the high seas. Me hearties, the taste of victory. Now that we've summoned the spirits of Blackbeard's ghost, it's time to taste the fruits of our labor and see if this legendary libation lives up to its name. Let's dive right in and see what treasures await us.
What are your thoughts?
It's really good, yeah.
Really good?
I think the falernum and the apricot,
Yep.
really good.
So both of them are the homemade ones, which people want to see are in other videos. But yeah, we got the homemade apricot liqueur, homemade falernum, and they come through nicely in it. And the lemon's there too, which I think just using fresh ingredients is so much nicer than bottled stuff. It'd be nice to use fresh orange juice, but orange is a bit out of season, so the recipe by Beachbum Barry originally calls for Virgin Islands light rum, which he's writing to an American audience, which is why he does that. So they, the United States are told that it's hard to get say Cuban rums, for instance, because of trade embargoes. Where we are, it's a bit harder to get Virgin Island rums, but I've substituted it for just a generic white rum. I think it comes through fine.
Yeah, yeah.
One to make again?
Definitely, yeah.
Cool.
By the 7 Seas, that's a flavor that'll make even the most fearsome pirate quiver in their boots. The citrusy tang of orange and lemon, the warmth of the rum, and the subtle spice of falernum, all coming together in perfect harmony. Blackbeard's ghost be a brew worthy of legend, a testament to the artistry and ingenuity of tiki mixology. But don't take me word for it, you'll have to try it for yourselves to truly understand its magic. Join me on the next episode of Tiki Thursday as we embark on another daring voyage through the world of innovations and tiki treasure. Until then, may your mugs be full and your spirits high. Farewell, me hearties.